Yo, what is up guys, Tomzine here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the brand new Cards of Car merge that's out right now after the Los Santos Drug Wars DLC. If this Cards of Car merge ends up working for you, can you go and do me just one favor and comment down below so new people that watch the video can go ahead and read the comments, see the method does work, and they can also go and give it a try and also get modded cars in GTA 5 Online. And it would be awesome if you can go ahead and drop a like, I would appreciate it a lot. And now let's get into the video. Now, all of the requirements you will be needing in today's video are going to be right here on the screen, so these are going to be every single one of them. Now, if you don't know how to get a donor car or don't know what a donor car is, I would recommend you watching one of these two videos up here. One of them I'll show you guys on how to make your own donor car, and the other one I'll show you guys on how to get your own donor car. So go watch one of those two videos. And also, if you do need to go ahead and join up on someone in a different targeting mode, you can add someone called Anwak. I'll also be leaving his usernames down below in the description, so go and check them out, add whichever one to your console. And then also, if you do need someone to go ahead and do this with, you can go ahead and drop your gamer tags down below, or you can join my Discord, link in description. You'll definitely find someone on there. There's over 2,000 members on there as well, so yeah, join up. But those are going to be every single requirement you will need. And now let's go ahead and start the Cards of Car merge. So first, let's go ahead and start the Cards of Car merge. You want to head over to the Maze Bank Arena right over here with your own donor car. And if you don't know where the Maze Bank Arena is located, it's located right here if you don't know for some reason. Now, you want to head over to the exact location of where I'm at. It's pretty much like the front entrance of this area right over here. And also, make sure you know where your yacht is located at, so you can just go to a straightaway. And also, make sure you have yourself a CEO office so you can register as a CEO later in the glitch. And also, make sure you have your friend also at Los Santos Car Meet before you do start. They need to be in Los Santos Car Meet. Now, walk up these stairs and you want to come over to this booth right over here. Now, don't press right D-pad right now. We got to do a step before we can do that. So, join up on Anawak. I'll leave his gamer tags down below in the description, but pretty much you will get 2 alerts when you join game on him. You will get the first one, you want to accept it, and the second one, you want to decline it. So accept the first one, decline the second. If you only get 1 alert, the reason why you're getting 1 alert is because the person you're joining is in the same targeting mode as you. So just change target modes and then you should be good. But after that, once you accept the first, decline the second, press right D-pad and it will put you on the screen right here. Now, once you're over here on this screen on the Maze Bank Arena view, all you want to do now is go ahead and have your friend that's over at Los Santos Car Meet. You can go and tell them to go ahead and start up a Titan of a job now. Now, they can go ahead and do that by coming over to their pods menu, online, jobs, play jobs, and then on play jobs, you want to start up the roster created, and then come over to missions, and the Titan of jobs should be the first one. And just go and start it up. What they want to go ahead and do now is basically send you an invite to the Titan of a job. Once they go ahead and send you that invite to Titan of a job, they want to go ahead and back out to the quit screen. Now, not back out completely out of Titan of a job, just back out where it tells you, are you sure you want to quit screen? So that's the screen that your friend wants to be on. So the person that started up the Titan of a job, they just want to hover over that quit screen. Now, you on the other hand, you should get that invite from your friend that they just sent you right now. You want to go ahead and accept it. Now, it will give you an alert saying, are you sure you want to join the job? Now that you guys both have alerts, your friend and you want to go ahead and do this perfectly timed, okay? If one of you guys messed this part up, you're going to have to do it over again. So once both of you guys are on your own alerts, you guys want to go and time this part perfectly. So I recommend you guys being in a party or in some type of voice chat, because both of you guys want to accept these alerts at the same exact time. If one of you guys mess it up, it's not going to work and you're going to have to redo it again. So basically, both of you guys accept alert, and when you guys both accept alert, the person that's over at the Maze Bank Arena, they should get this unable to connect to session, and then you should get like 3 sounds. So it should sound like this. When you do hear the final third one, you want to go ahead and accept the alert, and then when you do, you'll spawn back and you will have no minimap, just like this. If you have no minimap, you did it correctly, and now we can move on to the glitch. But if you still have your minimap, you probably just messed up on the timing, so just go and redo it again until you do hit the glitch. But once you have no minimap, all you guys want to do now is go ahead and have your friend invite you to LS Car Meet so we can begin the Cards of Car merge. Now that you're at LS Car Meet, all you want to do now is have your car, your donor car, inside of here as well. For me, it's going to be right here. And also have the other person that's going to be helping you also inside of the LS Car Meet. All you guys want to do now is basically go ahead and start up a sprint job. Now, your friend has to go and start up the sprint job. If you don't know how to, you just go ahead and open up your interaction menu just like this. And then once on your interaction menu, come over to LS Car Meet. And then come over to sprint right over here. Now, your friend needs to go ahead and invite you. So there you go, already got the invite. I'm just gonna go and accept it, and now you just want to go ahead and wait for the counter to finish so we can begin the sprint job. So once you guys now are inside of the sprint job, all you want to do now is head over to Los Angeles Customs that's down the street. If you've done the car to car merge before for one of my videos, you already know where the location is, but this is pretty much going to be down the street right over here. So it's going to be right over here. So you just want to pretty much next to the Leicester factory right there. So right here is going to be the pretty much the Los Angeles Customs. Now, what you want to go and do now is register yourself up as a CEO, and once you register yourself up as CEO, come over to CEO Vehicles and come over to Buzzard and request the Buzzard. Once you request the Buzzard, just go and continue down here, and the Los Angeles Customs should be right over here, and go ahead and drive your car inside. Once you go and drive your car inside, all you want to do now is go ahead and basically just back out of it. Now back out of it completely. So just go and back out of it, and then it should say, are you sure you want to exit Los Santos? When you get that, go ahead and hold Y or triangle until you respawn, and then when you do, you should get this infinite black loading screen. All you want to do now is go and join up on Anahuac to go and get rid of it. So join up, and then you want to accept the first alert and then decline the second alert. So any second now should pop up. There you go, accept the first alert and then decline the second alert. So there you go. Now, when you do it correctly, you should be able to walk around just like this. Now, all you want to do now is go and find where your Buzzard is located at. For me, it's going to be right over here, and all you want to do is run over to it. Now that you're inside of your Buzzard, all you want to do now is go and fly away from this area, and what should happen is you teleport back to where you just came from. So, as you guys can see, I'm going to teleport any second. There you go. Now, once you go and teleport back from where you just came from, now go ahead and open up the map and find wherever your yacht is located at. And all you want to do now is go ahead and just fly over to it. So basically, once you teleport back, go and find where your yacht is and head over to it. Alright, so there you go. We are over at my yacht. I just had to turn on the captain thing because I had him off. But basically, once you're next to your yacht, go ahead and call up your captain. And when you do, you should get this right here, request personal vehicle. Now, if it is grayed out, all you want to do is keep on flying as close as possible to your yacht, and then it should be able to get it. Now, all you want to do now is go and request whatever vehicle that you want to mod. Now, for me, I'm going to mod the new car that they added, the Koenigsegg Jesko. Now, once you go and call up the car that you want to mod, open up the map and see where your car spawns at. If it does spawn in, all you want to do now is go and back out and hold Y or triangle to respawn. And when you respawn, every single modification from your donor car should now transfer over to the car that you want to mod. So as you can see, for me, everything from my donor car has now transferred over to the brand new car added to Los Angeles Drug Wars DLC. Now, we are not done yet. We still have a few more steps to go ahead and do, so don't back out. So what you want to go and do is come over here to your map lib options, jobs, and just turn all of them on. When you turn all of them on, you will get all of these blue jobs on the map just like this, and all you want to do is go and start up any one of them. So to start up any one of these jobs, so once you're on the job, all you want to do now is go ahead and quit the job and basically back out of it. Once you go and back out of it, you will see that the sprint job is now done, and basically you're not in it no more. Now we got our last, well, not really last step, a few more steps after this, but all you want to do is head over to Los Angeles Customs, okay? You can head over to whichever location that you want. Basically, just head over to whichever Los Angeles Customs near you, or whichever one that you want to go to. And try not to get your car blown up, because if it does get blown up, you're going to have to redo the whole entire glitch, because the car right now is not currently saved. So if you do leave the game, or if you do, like, basically blow up the car, you're gonna have to redo everything again because the car is not technically saved right now. So once you arrive at Los Angeles Customs, you want to go and drive your car in, and once you go ahead and drive it in, we want to go and do a few things to go ahead and save the car. So basically repair the car, and you want to change one thing on the vehicle. It could literally be anything, but I would recommend changing to armor because it does not scratch the car at all, and plus it's pretty cheap. It's like 500 as you guys just saw. Now, when you change one thing on the vehicle, you're pretty much good to go. You can leave the game, you can blow up the car, you can literally do whatever to it. It's now yours. All the modifications are permanently there, and now you can pretty much modify the car however you want or keep it however way it is. So basically, that's the merge glitch right there. That's going to be the car to car merge working after the Los Santos Drug Wars DLC. If it did work for you, drop a comment down below letting new people to watch the video see it does work, and they can also go ahead and try it out. And also drop a like, it supports out the video a whole lot, and hit that subscribe button as well. And Tom's on, sign out, peace.